Welcome to Shark Cap Table, the 1-minute deal maker. We're going to show you how to structure capital raise by manipulating 6 input buttons. These are the ones down here. And we're going to make 3 deal metrics, which are the ones up here, work for you and the investors. Now we have some data already in here, but let's adjust it. Let's assume that we're going to form a business and that we are going to try to raise the money to make it grow. So between you and me, we put in $8,000. We issue 900,000 shares. We think the value of our company without any investors worth $350,000 based upon our website, our beta revenues, the number of hits that we're getting and page views, plus your experience, my gray hair. We're trying to raise $350,000 from the investors, and we think that we could sell our company for $5 million in year 4. Now let's go look at what the calculator says is the deal. Now remember, we've got some red numbers up here which give you a rough idea whether or not things are good. Well, here we have a 7-to-1 investment multiple. That's so-so. 63% internal rate of return, well, that's pretty darn good, but the problem is they have 50% investor stake, so we need to reduce that somewhat. The easiest way to do it is to increase the pre-money value. And you can see that as we increase pre-money value, we reduce the investor stake. But they may not want it so great, so maybe we have to do it at $350,000. One way to reduce this is, remember we got 63% there. We could maybe go for $260,000 and adjust pre-money value and up a little bit until we get to 63%. That's close enough. And there we've dropped down to 36% investor share. But of course we have a little less money, but that's one of the ways of doing it. Okay, so let's go back to $340,000 and something like that was close enough. Now one of the other things we could do is we could try to raise the enterprise exit value to maybe 6.5, 8 million. Yeah, that might work, but I don't think so. Let's go back to 5 and 4, and maybe we could put a little more money in the company, get up to about $50,000, and maybe that would then convince these guys that we now have a pre-money value of $400,000. So now we're at 45%. Anyway, that's one of the possibilities of a deal. You can see it's very flexible. You change these numbers, and all of these critical numbers up here change instantly. One other factor we have here is we've got an investment summary, which concatenates all the critical words and numbers together so that you have something you can cut and paste into your business plan. Down here, of course, you can personalize it, and then, of course, you can print. So there's a print preview. It all fits on one page. You can turn that into a PDF if you've got the right software. Send it out to prospects and get their feedback. Be sure to buy the program called Lite. Free comes with Lite. Lite is a great program. It has a little more capability to it, but actually Free is driving numbers in Lite. They work together. Thank you very much.